Poor sheep has had an absolute nightmare, bless her. As you can see, she's probably tried to walk across the pond. It's very dirty, very sloppy. She's got stuck, so I think we're going to have to strip off, get in, and get the girl out. Oh, I'm sinking. I think I'm going to have to grab her foot and try and get her out that way. Right, we're nearly there. I think I'm going to have to pull her up. Oh, come on. She's nearly there. It's just that last little bit. See if I can pull her onto this ground here. Come on. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. Come on. She's out, and I think she's just super weak. I think she can't stand.